Hello everyone, I'm Girish D, founder and director Arko Prebuild Private Limited. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. We provide turnkey solutions for industrial sheds, warehouses, multi-story building and cold storages also. We work pan India. We do turnkey projects like we do from design, manufacturing to installation at site. We have pan India cover. We also started now supplying to South Africa also. Arko Prebuild is a 4-year-old company. We have started our company in 2022 and we are now across almost 75 plus project completed for warehousing and industrial sheds also.